Hey, Brian here. I thought I'd do a quick video on the mounting width of this M525.1 LCR. There's been some confusion about the cutout dimension, and so I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. The overall dimension, if you were to go from the cutout, is going to be wider than what we would say a standard stud bay would be. So it's at 15 1/8. Let me pull that out. You can see 15 1/8. That's on this outside frame. That's the cutout dimension, but it's the cutout dimension of the drywall, not the studs. If you notice, this depth here is the depth less than a 1/2 inch drywall. So you're going to cut over the top of the studs a little bit. The reason being is when you look at this guy, I think I just magnetized this sucker. I'll pull this out. From edge to edge on, if I get it all the way in here, drop off one of these things. That's not going to be good. On the posts, this is the part that goes inside the stud bay. If you notice, one of them is offset. So this one goes directly to the edge of this lip. This one is offset. The reason is when you tilt the this mechanism out, this clamp, you're going to screw it clockwise, righty-tighty, and when it comes out, it's going to be able to clear the wall space. That's this distance, that's this gap here. So it's barely going to fit in there and then snug down. So your distance between studs is now, move this over this way so you see the one side. So I'm going by the post to post, is 14 1/2. And the reason I'm saying 14 1/2 is on this side, it's offset. On this side, over here, it's not offset. So this is offset, this is not offset, because this one doesn't have to be offset because of how it rotates. It rotates this way. It's not going to rotate this way, which is what this fella does over here to clear. So this is 14 1/2 inches, all the max points that you need to make this go on the wall. A little bit of it goes over the stud, and you cut that off. But so you're going to expose the stud, but you don't have to cut into that stud. That stud's going to be fine where it's at. So hopefully that helps.